You don't need a camera, a mic, or even a molecule of charisma to make money on YouTube. Just a free Canva account and a Wi-Fi signal stronger than your will to stay at that soul-sucking 9-5. And no, this isn't one of those send this to 10 friends or you'll be cursed schemes. You're not selling your soul or shampoo. This is legit. Thousands of creators are doing it. Faceless channels, low effort, high reward. And today, I'm gonna show you how. Quick favor, smash that subscribe button like it just scheduled a 4-hour Zoom meeting on your lunch break. I drop daily videos showing how to grow a YouTube channel without showing your face, quitting your job, or magically becoming a tech genius overnight. All right, let's talk more tactics. Let's get into it. What if your next paycheck came from Canva catfacts and absolutely zero FaceTime? Most people don't even realize how ridiculously easy this is until someone else is already going viral and buying snacks with YouTube money. Part 1, what is a faceless YouTube channel and why it's kind of genius? Let's start here. A faceless YouTube channel means you never show your face, ever. You're like the Banksy of content. No awkward intros, no fake smiles, no pretending to love ring lights. You get to stay in your hoodie, look like a couch goblin, and still make content that people binge watch at 2 a.m. Take the infographics show. Ever seen The Narrator? Nope. But they pull in millions of views per video by turning news, history, and random facts into animated explainers. That could be you, with less stress and no need to hire animators. Canva's got you covered. Part 2, Canva, your digital sidekick. Canva is Photoshop's friendly, chill cousin. You don't need to be a designer or spend hours figuring out where the crop button is. Just type what you want, drag some visuals, slap on music, and bam, YouTube magic. Inside Canva, even the free version, you get video templates for intros, transitions, and slides. Stock videos of everything from forests to coffee to exploding volcanoes. Music library that won't get you copyright strikes. Voiceover tools that make it easy to add narration, even if your voice sounds like a tired squirrel. Use the video presentation template in Canva. It's like making a PowerPoint presentation on steroids. Add animations, slide transitions, and even record your screen directly. Part 3, picking your niche without getting paralyzed by choice. You need a niche, no skipping this. It is like choosing the right Netflix genre. You want something people want to binge, and that doesn't make you want to cry halfway through making it. Here are a few profitable and easy to produce faceless niches. Motivational quotes and self-help. You can literally Google motivational quotes, slap them onto pretty backgrounds with stock music, and create compilations. AI-generated storytelling. Sites like ChatGPT or Pseudo-Write can pump out endless fiction. Turn those into voiceovers, plus moody visuals. Horror or mystery. Think creepy Reddit stories, urban legends, or true crime tales. Pair them with spooky background music and forest footage. Study with me. Lo-fi, loop or chill animation. Add relaxing music. Done. There are lo-fi channels with 500k plus subs posting the same loop over and over. Tutorials, Canva-based how-to videos like how to budget in 5 steps or how to organize your life. You don't need to be a guru, just organized. One creator took ChatGPT generated bedtime stories, turned them into simple 2D slideshows in Canva, added AI voiceovers, and now earns $3,000 a month from sleepy parents grateful for digital story time. Part 4, scripting without stressing. Now you need a script. And before you panic, no, you don't need to be Shakespeare or even mildly coherent before coffee. You'll go, hook people fast, and keep it conversational. Instead of saying burnout is a psychological state defined by it, try it. If you opened the fridge 5 times and still forgot why, this one is for you. Keep it funny, simple, and real. YouTube is where people go to escape, not take a nap during a lecture. Use this formula. 1. Hook in 10 seconds. Start with a weird fact or bold claim. 2. Deliver value story. Keep it moving. Use examples. 3. Call to action or tease what's next. Cue curiosity loop. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm or write rough drafts. You can even paste in blog articles and say, make this sound like a funny YouTube script. Boom! Part 5, designing the video in Canva, even if you still draw stick figures. Open Canva, select video 1920 by 1080. This is your canvas. Search for stock footage, person walking, night rain, city time lapse. Drag and drop. Add bold, clear text, not Comic Sans unless your niche is chaotic energy. Use simple transitions between scenes. No need to go full Power Rangers. Add music from Canva's built-in library. Want voiceovers? Here are options. Use your phone mic seriously, it's fine. Audacity, free software. AI voices from CapCut, 11 Labs, or even Canva. Canva lets you record voiceovers slide by slide. If you mess up, you don't have to redo the whole thing, just that one part. Part 6, uploading like a pro and not a rushed potato. When you upload, the title and thumbnail need to do the heavy lifting. Think BuzzFeed, but less annoying. Use titles like, "You won't believe what this millionaire does before 7 a.m. Top 5 creepiest places you should never visit. Them facts that are weirdly true. Make thumbnails pop. Bold text, contrasting colors, circles, arrows, zoom-ins. A bit of mystery. Don't show the full answer in the image. Use Canva's thumbnail template. It's already the perfect size and has all the tools you need to stand out. Part 7, the upload trap where most people quit. Here's what usually happens. You post one video, get 3 views. 2 are from your mom. You start questioning your life. Stop! YouTube is not a microwave. It's a crock pot. Takes time. Plan to post at least 10 videos before judging results. Track analytics. Check what parts people click away. Fix, repeat. Real creator story. One guy posted 15 quote videos. No traction. Video 16 went viral. Now he makes $4,000 per month from reusing motivational quotes and sky footage. Part 8, monetization magic, because it's not just AdSense. You need 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program. But even before that, you can earn with affiliate links, review a product, add a link, get paid, selling digital products, Canva templates, guides, ebooks, sponsorships, even small brands pay for shoutouts. Merch, yes, you can sell Stay Curious hoodies. Patreon, offer extra perks for fans. One creator makes $10K per month, but only $800 is from ads. The rest? Affiliate links and selling Canva templates she made while watching Netflix. Part 9, repurpose like a pro. Got 10 to 20 videos, you've got a product. Example, made videos on budgeting, bundle into a money mindset course. Lo-fi music videos, sell playlists or a focus pack. That's passive income. While others chase trends, you're building digital real estate. Part 10, batching for the win. Record 3 to 5 videos in one sitting. Write your scripts on Monday, design on Tuesday, and upload on Wednesday. This way, if life goes full chaos or you decide to nap for a week, your channel still runs on autopilot. Use Google Docs to organize your scripts and Canva folders to separate projects by niche. It makes batch work way less painful. Part 11, still not sure? Let me paint a picture. A 17-year-old kid in Manila posts gaming facts. If I win $500 per month. A Texas mom makes meditation videos. $3,000 per month. A German guy narrates scary Reddit threads. $5K per month and never shows his face. None of them have fancy equipment. They just use Canva free tools and a little stubbornness. You don't need talent. You need a template and probably some snacks. The only difference between you and a YouTube success story is consistency. I'll leave you with the mindset shift that turns dabblers into doers. Treat your channel like a business, not a hobby. That shift alone will get you miles ahead. Got a laptop, Canva, Wi-Fi? You're ready. Start ugly, post often, learn fast, get better. Because the worst video is the one you never upload. Hit that subscribe button if you're into no BS tips on building a faceless YouTube channel while keeping your day job and your sanity. I drop daily videos full of simple tools, lazy-friendly AI hacks, and income ideas you can try after work, in pajamas, with snacks, and zero guilt. Got weird questions or channel ideas that came to you mid-coffee break? Toss them in the comments. I read every single one, even the ones that look like a cat walked across the keyboard. Catch you in the next video, the one where you finally realize YouTube isn't just for influencers and toddlers with toy unboxing. It's your turn.